Hey, Dustin Tibbetts here, financial advisor with Jazz Wealth Managers. Hope you're having a great day out there. Did you see our video the other day? We're getting a little geeky this week, so our FinTips series is a little bit more about the stock market, a little bit more about some of the stats and research that we like to share here with our customers. Since we manage our own portfolios, we have a background in investing, unlike a lot of other advisors who really just sell mutual funds. So we like to share that data. We like to teach customers along the way, let you know how we're doing things, why we're doing things, so that you can see how your dough is growing. Hey, it's September. Did you know how September typically performs? Well, one of the things that I do each month, usually, if not more, is I like to share with customers different ideas and things about market historical performance, how things are seasonally moving. One thing you might always heard of is sell in May and go away, right? So there's that whole phenomenon. You might have heard of the Santa Claus rally and things like that. Well, I call it, do you remember September, right? Come on, some of you know. Some of you know, right? Anyway, September is not normally known for being a really good month, and I want to kind of explain the intricate details of that. So let's get started here. If we go over to the charts and the screen, we can see every September performance that we've outlined for you since 1950. You go over here to the left, 1950, all the way over to the right is last year, or 2018. Oh, we're missing a year there. Anyways, here's the performance there. Looking back there, you got your worst performing month. It's going to be 1974 here. Lost about 12%. Your best performing month looks like 2009 there as we recovered out of the financial crisis. What I want you to focus on is the odds here. Average return, minus 0.58. Now, that might not be a big deal, right? Maybe we compare that to other months. I'll do that for you. Let's see if it's even a big deal. Median return is also a loss. Worst return we talked about. Percent of the time positive, only 46% of the time, which is also down here. I just didn't know if you could read it, being positive. So September is known for being and a losing month more often than not. So there you go. It's not too big of a deal if you look at that. Now, where are we coming from here? We're coming from a stock market that's up 8% year to date. The S&P, it's added 3% through the month of August. And fun fact, I shared this with our customers in the Notes from Jazz email that I send out every weekend. August had the most number of up days out of any month ever. Right? Set a record for the most number of up days. So really good month, and we're going into a weak season here. So that's why I'm kind of talking about this, just in case the market's pulled back. Here's another way to look at it. We'll compare it to every single month out there. We've got all the way throughout every year here. Every month. So you can see the performance going forward. We hit September. Oh no, it's the only losing month. Right? If we look over the last 50 years, on average, the average returns in any given month are positive. They are negative for the month of September, so something to keep in mind there if you're looking back, right? It's called a seasonal headwind is how they actually say it there. Well, one of the things we can do is actually break it down even further, believe it or not, and we can look to see how does the markets perform by day on average in the month of September. So I kind of put that together for you. I'm hoping I can find it here real quick. There it is. Here is every single day in the stock market. Well, now this one's looking over the last 20 years because this took a lot to put together. But if you look through the month of September here, you can see, well, it doesn't look so bad, right? You got basically some gains, some losses. Looks like we're trending in the right direction. Then all of a sudden, whoa, we start falling off a cliff down here towards the bottom. In fact, September tends to be weaker towards the end of the month. So if you're watching this and it's like September 10th or something and you're like, he was wrong, right? Well, let's show you. So September tends to bleed off towards the end of the month as we get more into the holiday season real early still. But as we do that, we see performance start to bleed off. So if I go back over here, what we did is put together a composite. We basically just took every one of those averages, showed the performance day by day through the month of September. So this would be on the 1st of September, and this would be all the way through the 30th. So I don't know what this is. This is not accurate. Let's get rid of that. No need for that one there. Let's just blow this up so you can see everything. So what you look at is over the last 20 years, this is the average performance of the market through the month of September by day. Pretty cool, huh? So tend to do well. We continue with any rally that we've had in August through the mid portion of September. And then after we hit the halfway point, we start falling through the 20th of September. Come on. Right? 21st night of September. Anybody? Nobody? All right. Anyways, and then we bleed negative all through the end of the month there. So we'll see what happens. I'm not saying the markets are going to fall or anything, but we've certainly come a long way. We've had a great move through the month of August, breaking a record that probably nobody else knew about or meant to teach you there, but you learned something there. And we'll see if we bleed off towards the end of September. What I'm going to do is set an alert in my phone. So we'll come back, we'll do another FinTips series. And what I'll do is I'll actually plot the actual performance of September over the historical average performance, and we'll see if the markets actually did perform anywhere in line, if any days were really highly correlated or anything like that, just to have some fun. And I'll tell you what, I'll do that for you if you hit the subscribe button. That's really all that we ask for here in general from you. If you happen to want to work with a financial advisor that actually teaches and sort of knows a little bit more about this stuff than really mutual funds and things like that, help you with your plans, right? Just constantly coming at you with new information. Maybe you'll check us out, jazzwealth.com. You can certainly open or transfer your accounts there. We focus more on long-term retirement investing, but day to day, I like to teach how the markets are moving, what they're telling us, and leave the opinion out of it and focus on the old stats there. So hope you have a great rest of your day. I do thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.